this video, we're going to look at changing velocity in one dimension. Okay, so we're going to have a scenario here where basically what we're going to have is a change in velocity for a runner whose initial velocity is 9 meters per second east, and this is going to then change to 4 meters per second east. Okay, so let's work through this solution. Alrighty, so let's write down our vectors first. So our initial velocity we know is 9 meters per second. And we know that the final velocity is 4 meters per second, and they're going in the same direction, which is east, using a compass heading. Okay, so we're 9 meters per second is u, and 4 meters per second is v. So let's put our algorithm for change in velocity, which is delta v equals v minus u. Alright, so we're going to write down v first in our algorithm. So let's put down the v vector, which is 4 meters per second. And then what we're going to do is negative u, which means we go in the opposite direction. So we're going to go 9 meters per second, which is negative, which means it's going to be west. So they're going in the same plane. So let's make east be positive. So delta v will basically be plus 4 east, going negative 9 west, which gives us an answer of negative 5 meters per second, or 5 meters per second west. So what we want to know is, how does this work? Well, what's going on? So imagine we take a spaceship that is flying through space. Now remember, it's going to be under Newton's first law of inertia, so it'll be carrying on at a specific velocity of 9 meters per second east. So there's our spaceship, 9 meters per second east. Now in order to get to 4 meters per second, it's going to have to slow down. Something's going to have to happen to it. This is going to be our change in velocity. So basically, as it slows down, it must decrease its speed. So Newton's second law states that a force must apply on this object. Now this is going to cause the change in velocity. So here's our spaceship. We're going to fire its thrusters at the front of the spaceship and slow it down. So as a result, the result will be that we'll get our spaceship going at 4 meters per second east. So we start off 9 meters per second, we fire the thrusters, which changes the velocity 5 meters per second. Thanks for watching.